Trap money, money. This shit got me in the feelings. Gotta be real with. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Go ahead and make yourself comfortable because you family now. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that bell button so you can know when I post every Sunday. I'm thinking about making another day, but every Sunday. Today I'm gonna show y'all a wig that I purchased on wigstype.com. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this wig with my own money. I just wanted to come today to show you all my new summer hairstyle that I'm just gonna throw on. Let me show y'all real quick how it came and me opening it out of the package. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. I'm gonna just throw this wig on pretty much like I did when I first got it. This is like my day 3 of wearing it, so I mean it still looked the same. It's still giving the same when it came out the can. I hate the way it looks when it come out. It looks so funny, but it definitely looked like one of them wigs that your grandma would wear or your auntie would wear. It's by Outre. It's a quick weave. It's a complete cap, which means that the inner part of this is completely closed and it gives like imitation of fake scalp. That's cute. This is the style card that she came in. Acacia or Acaia. I'm gonna say Acaia is the name of this wig, and I got it in the color 1B. It is heat resistant, so you could actually use your curling iron or flat iron on this wig, and it comes in different colors. These are all the colors at the bottom that they have, but like I said, I got it in 1B. Let's just go ahead and throw this on. I got my hair braided up and I just got on a cap, so I'm just gonna throw her on real fast. Make sure the back part is good. I'm dead. Ooh, child. Oh, she's shedding already. It's synthetic, I don't care. And it was only $14.99, so who cares if she sheds or not? I really don't care. So I'm just gonna play with this bang a little bit.
Not the banging, the banging. Oh, 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 oh. Fuck no.
Let's see how we get this to go. I'm just gonna play with this a little bit and see how I can style it without doing too much to it, but I can tell that I'm gonna eventually cut this because look, the bangs are so long, but this is definitely giving me, oh, I need to flat iron this part, this top part. But this is cute once you put it on. Once you get that thing going. I actually don't look bad with short hair, which this is really cute though. Oh. This wig is only $16, like with tax. It's really $14.99. I feel like this is really cute. What y'all think? I would definitely play with this, like this bang here. I need this bang, and I need the back part. I just want to play with it a little bit more to make it, yes, yes, yes. Just play with it. Like, that's the best thing you can do is just play with it. Oh, don't mind this part. This is my hair. Quick little 360 kinda. I can't turn all the way around how I'm sitting. This is really cute. Once you play with it, style it the way you want it to be styled, she could go far. Oh, she could even give Rihanna. Like, eventually I want to play with the sides because the sides are a little bulky. I also want to play with the bang because the bang is a little long because it comes like here, you know. But once this bang get cut, you see what I'm saying? Once this bang get cut, baby, that's gonna be all she wrote. This is cute as hell to me. I don't know why I just had a thought. I looked a little like, what's her name from Players Room? From Players, what's it called? Players Club. What's her name from Players Club? Diamond Cousin. Yeah, I want to definitely flatten this top part. I want, cause it's kind of bulky up here. Like, I just want to flatten that. Girl, yes, I'm gonna style this wig. Let me tell y'all, I'm gonna wear this a lot in the summertime. I definitely like this wig. I feel like this is definitely like your go-to summer. It's giving 90 vibes. It's giving you Toni Braxton. It's giving you young Halle Berry, okay? That's what it's giving me. Okay? Like, this is cute as hell. What you waiting on? Go ahead and cop this because I know y'all want it. I'm gonna link down below in the description bar the link to this wig so y'all can go ahead and cop it for yourself. It's cute. Like, you saw how quick it was for me to just throw it on and fix it. I have not done anything to it. I can't wait to do some things to it. Y'all gonna see this wig revamped probably like a million times. And I'm definitely wearing this all summer 2021. Okay, she's giving. Look how the little neck parts is definitely like cut. You know, like they cut it right, and I like that. I just need to frame it on my face a little bit, which I'm gonna play with it later. I need to go buy a new comb razor thing like that. I don't know what it's called, but I need to get one of those because I think that's the easiest way for me to like comb it and get it perfect because I don't know how to cut anything. I'm sorry, this song, I need to play some 90s music or something all day while I got this song. This is really cute. Good job, Outre. Y'all kill it every time. I love Outre products. I don't know what I need to do to get with y'all. We need to collab or do something together because I like y'all and y'all like me because y'all be liking me on my Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me on my Instagram, baby, what are you doing? You should be following me. Go ahead, look it up. Itskeishab, and you could catch me on there so much more. That's all I gotta say about this. It's nothing else really to say about this. I just really wanted to show y'all, quick show and tell, do a quick little review, let y'all know how I feel about this wig, my latest purchase. So if you like more videos like this where we're talking about hair as well as beauty, then go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing a good job so I could keep making videos like that. That gives me encouragement to continue to make videos for you all. So thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.